did not mean to cast so shallow. I don't think some fish are that shallow right now with it being this cold. I think they're gonna be a little bit pushed out. Not far, but yeah, about right there. I was way up on the bank. That'd be my guess to where the fish are going to be sitting, if they are still sitting on the bank. Oh, this is a good one. Don't jump. Don't jump. He's trying to jump. Oh. Yeah, he's running towards me and everything. Where are you? What are you doing, fish? Yes, sir. I knew as soon as I felt the rod sink into him. I told you. That's where I was thinking those fish were going to be if I had to guess. All right, that's a start right there. We needed that one. Oh, we needed that one. Yes, sir. We'll get a screenshot of that for the picture. Let's go ahead and slap a scale on this guy. Oh. I thought I felt something weird. And then I felt him thumping, and I was like, no, that's definitely him. All right. Something zeroed out. $380, almost 4-pounder. We'll take that. $380. Let's go. Yeah, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, feel free to, guys. And also leave a comment, like the video, and leave me some recommendations. Baits y'all want to see thrown, challenges y'all want to see done. There's just another fish right here. Let's go, guys. Let's go. We're gonna get right back to him once I get my pole entangled. No. My beautiful trailer is about done. I'm not done with them though. I've got to get more, but that's my last one of that color for today. I've got a color. It just doesn't really fit well with the green pumpkin watermelon flake jig. But forgive me, guys. But maybe it'll work. Today's gonna be a little slower. I can feel it. That's okay.